Hi, I'm Austin, and today we're going to build custom ice picks. Just because we got a sponsor doesn't mean that we're going to go all Hollywood on you, so don't worry. But they hooked us up with some really cool material. They sent us some copper, some titanium, and some brass, and all different forms, some square, some hex, some round tubing. So it should make for some really cool stuff. During this video, I'm making 23 unique ice picks, and they're going to my friends in the group Makers on Zoom having coffee. And we were lucky enough that Online Metals offered to sponsor the material for each one of them. So that was really cool. They're a great company. I'll have a link in the video description if you want to check them out. They just have great customer service and very, very unique profiles of metal that you can get. So if you get a chance, go check them out. This particular ice pick is pretty cool because it's copper tubing with a 3/8 inch round brass insert inside. Then once I milled it, I left a window so you can see all the way through to the actual shaft of the spike. And I did a false shaft on the back side and then covered it up with a magnet insert. This particular ice pick is made from titanium, so we're flame anodizing it. I'll actually have a video coming up soon on our channel breaking down the exact process on how I do flame anodizing. So hit the subscribe button and you'll be the first one to catch it.